A lot of people think that renewable energy is all about solar energy, wind power, hydroelectricity, but one of the most oldest and most efficient renewable energy resources actually comes from living matter, much like some of the production methods of non renewable resources. Confusing, right? Biofuels are basically fuels made from plants, algae, or organic waste and can be used to make energy for transport, electricity, or heat. Unlike fossil fuels, they come from sources that can be regrown or replenished over short time scales. Biofuels are made in these five simple steps. First, biomass is collected. As I told you before, plants, algae, or organic waste is used. Next, we need to prepare this biomass. We either clean it, crush it, or filter this material. The next step is to convert it. We ferment sugars that are being used into ethanol. We process the oils if oils are used and we convert it into biodiesel, and waste is digested to produce biogas. The next step is to refine the fuel. We remove the impurities to meet the fuel standards, and finally, we use it. It's usually blended into petrol or diesel. Biofuels are considered to be renewable resources of energy. This, however, does not mean that it's a green resource of energy. Biofuels are made from plants, as we know, and these plants, in theory, can be replenished over time. They can be grown continuously as they are easy to harvest plants, and the burning reduces carbon dioxide, which is used to replenish these growing plants. So, in theory, it is renewable. However, a lot of deforestation occurs and a lot of greenhouse gases are produced. Therefore, it is not a sustainable source of energy and is not widely used as of yet. All things considered, biofuels still have a very bright and positive future. There'll be a shift away from deforestation and materials that can cause harm to our environment, and this will cause biofuels to have much more reach. That's all for today's video. I really hope you liked the content I presented you with, and I hope you'll stick around for the rest of the videos in this series. I'll be talking all about renewable energy, and I hope you'll keep following my content. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye, ciao, and see you soon.